Alrighty, gang, we are back. It is August 15th. We're heading over to Edwardsville for the Edwardsville Rotary Criterium. It is 3:20. Race is at 4:35. Gonna get there around 4. Hopefully have a little bit of time to warm up. Running a bit behind schedule, but thought that we'd loop you in. New course this year. Kind of excited. The course last year had a pretty nasty little right-hand turn at the bottom of a hill that a lot of people crashed at, so we're going to see if this course is a little bit safer, but it is currently, let's see what the temperature is, 92 degrees out, little spicy, little dicey. Edwardsville Crit 2026 Category 4. Let's see what we got. All right, we have made it to Edwardsville. We are going to find a place to park. We're going to go register, get our number, warm up, and get a racing. We're excited to see this new course. A nice little drive over. Let's see what we got today. I'm feeling okay. Famous last words. Excited to race though. It is a little late. I mean, a 4:35 crit for Cat 4. I mean, Daddy is sleepy. But we're gonna keep it positive. Edwardsville, here we come. All right, so we did it. Race started out pretty slow. It was actually pretty slow the entire time. I got bumped out of a turn, I think 3 or 4, maybe 5 laps in, got pushed into the barriers, crashed. Bike's somewhat okay. We got handlebars are a little messed up. Not sure if the derailleur hanger's bent or not. It was shifting fine the rest of the race. Got back in, was scared for about 10 laps, then was basically just thinking to myself, either shut it down and get out of the race or move up and do something. And with about 2 to go, was able to move halfway up the field. With 2 laps to go, got pretty close to the front with 1 to go. Got about 3 wheels in. We went down the back stretch and were able to gap some folks and was second going into the last turn. So I finished up second place, happy with the result, glad that I didn't just get frightened and shut it down, but bummed a little bit that I crashed, but was happy that I was able to come back from it and get a good placing. So we're going to do a race recap at some point, but that's it. Second place, Edwardsville 2026. Thank you all so much for tuning in. We're going to be back soon with more crit videos because in a couple of weeks we got the Shakedown Series, last race of the Shakedown Series, and then after that we got 4 days of racing. Gateway Cup 2026 is going to be coming at you, so stay tuned.